Welcome friends in today's session. If you remember, in our last session we did the addition by splitting numbers into multiples of 10, 100, 1000 and also by completing the whole, addition by completing the whole. Today again we'll see another kind of addition which you call as addition by dot method. The benefit of dot method is this: as conventionally in our addition we remember the carry numbers. In this method we need not remember any carry number, and that is one benefit of this method, and because of this we can do it little more faster and with more conveniently, right? So let us see an example where you can understand this. This method is known as addition by dot method. And the principle of this method is this: put the dot and drop the 10. Put the dot and drop the 10. We'll take an example where you will be able to understand what do you mean by that. Let us take, for example, one sum: 3653, 2856, 7295, 4836. Let us try to understand what we'll be doing. In our conventional method, when you make an addition, how do you do it? What we do is we make an addition: 6 plus 5, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 3, 20, right? As we go up, our number also becomes bigger. That's one difficulty, right? And here again, when it's 20, we put a 0 here and 2 is carry, and we have to remember that carry, that is 2. So there are two difficulties in this case which we'll be avoiding in our dot method. Both the things, as the number is growing as we go up, that is also avoided, and the other thing, the carry number, that we need not remember. Both the things will be avoiding in this case. Let us see how it is so. So here 6 plus 5 is 11. The moment is 11, it's more than 10. You know that 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. So what we do is, instead of taking 11 upward, we drop this 10 here by putting a dot. We put a dot here, the 10 is dropped here. What is remaining out of 11? 1. We take this 1 upward. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 10. Again it's 10. The moment it's 10, we put a dot here and we drop the 10. The moment we drop the 10, what's remaining out of 10? 0. So we write 0 here. Okay, now we don't remember any carry, but you can visually see there are 2 dots. 2 dots means there are 2. 2 is the carry. So take this 2 forward. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 9, 14. 14, we drop 10 here. What is remaining out of it? 14. It's 10 plus 4. So we drop the 10 here and we take this 4 upward. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. The moment it's 14, we drop the 10 here. What is remaining out of 14? 4. We write down 4 here, right? Now there is 2 dots. There are 2 dots. They take these 2 dots forward. 2 plus 8, 10. We drop this 10 here. Out of 10, 10 is dropped. 0 remaining. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 8, 10. Again we drop this 10 here. There is 0 remaining. 0 plus 6 is 6. We write down 6 here. There are 2 dots here. Take these 2 dots forward. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. Drop 10 here. Out of 13, 3 is remaining. 3 to 5 plus 3, 8. We write down 8 here. How many dots are there? 1. We write down 1 here. You see it? Once again I'll do it. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. We drop this 10 here. What's remaining? 1. We take this 1 upward. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 10. Drop this 10 here. What's remaining? 0. We write down 0 here. We can see there are 2 dots. The 2 is the carry. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 9, 14. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining out of 14? 4. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 4. We write down 4 here. There are 2 dots. Take these 2 dots here. 2 plus 8, 10. Drop the 10 here. 0 remaining. 2 plus 8, 10. Again we drop the 10 here. 0 remaining. 6. We write down 6 here. Then there are 2 dots. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. Drop the 10 here out of 13. 3 is remaining. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8. Right? We write down 8 here. And there is 1 dot. So we write down 1 here. So as long as it's more than 10, we'll drop the 10 there and take the remaining number upwards. And that way our number will never become bigger. Number 1. Number 2, we are not to remember the carry. We can just visually see how many dots are there, and that will tell us what is the carry, right? So we have understood this problem. Let me do another problem. Let me do another problem. For example, we write down 5, 6, 3, 3, 8, 2, 9, 8, 7, 5, 3, 6, and 4, 8, 3, 4. Here 6 plus 4, 10. Drop the 10 here. Go up. There is 0 remaining. 8 plus 3, 11. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 1. Write down 1 here. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 9, 17. Drop the 10 here. What is remaining out of 17? 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Drop the 10 here. Out of 10, if you drop the 10 here, what's remaining? 0. We write down 0 here. Then there are 2 dots. 2 plus 8, 10. Drop the 10 here. 0 remaining. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 6, 13. Drop the 10 here. Out of 13, what's remaining? 3. Write down 3 here. There are 2 dots. Take it forward. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 3. 3 plus 8, 11. Drop the 10 here. Out of 11, what's remaining? 1. 1 plus 5, 6. And there are 2 dots. We write down 2 here. So 2, 6, 3, 0, 1. 6 plus 4, 10. Drop the 10 here. 0. 8 plus 3, 11. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 1. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 9, 17. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 0. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 8, 10. Drop the 10 here. 0 remaining. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 6, 13. Drop the 10 here. Out of 13, what's remaining? 3. Write down 3 here. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. Drop the 10 here. Out of 13, what's remaining? 3. 3 plus 8, 11. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 1. 1 plus 5, 6. We write down 6 here. There are 2 dots. We write down 2 here. 2, 6, 3, 0, 1 is the answer. I think we have understood this problem. Let me do another problem. We can make these numbers any bigger. Doesn't matter. For the sake of example, I am taking only 4 digits, but we can increase this. 3, 8, 3, 8, 2, 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 9, 2, 7, 3, 5, 6, 8, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. Right. Now, let me add it. We can even increase further. We can below. We can also take another number. It doesn't matter. The process is same. If you understand the process, it can be done in any way. Here, 8 plus 5, 13. Drop the 10 here. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10. Drop the 10 here. 0. 9 plus 7, 16. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 6. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10. Drop the 10 here. 6 plus 2, 8. We write down 1 dot. 5 plus 1, 6. 3, 9 plus 7, 16. Drop the 10 here. 6 remaining. 6 plus 8, 14. Drop the 10 here. 4 remaining. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. Drop the 10 here. 3 remaining. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 3, 11. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 1. And there are 2 dots. We write down 2 here. Right? You can check it once again. 8 plus 5, 13. Drop the 10 here. 3 remaining. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 1. We write down here. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10. Drop the 10 here. 9 plus 7, 16. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 6. Now there are 2 dots. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10. Drop the 10 here. 0 remaining. 6 plus 2, 8. There is 1 dot here. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 7, 16. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 6. 6 plus 8, 14. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 4. There are 2 dots. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 7, 13. Drop the 10 here. 3 remaining. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 3, 11. Drop the 10 here. What's remaining? 1. There are 2 dots. Write down 2 here. When we can do it even more faster when you are not speaking it out. We can just do this continuously, right? So you've understood that in this method we avoided both the things. The number is not being bigger because the moment it's more than 10, we are dropping this 10 here and we are taking the remaining number upwards, and we are not remembering the carry numbers. That is the benefit of this method. So by doing this dot method, by the process of dot method, we can do our addition a little more conveniently and without taking the burden of remembering the carry numbers. That's how we can conveniently do our addition better than the conventional method. So I will give you 2-3 examples to you so that you can practice yourself. You can also make your own problems, but I'll just give you some 1 or 2 problems so that you can do it. 5, 6, 8, 4, 7, 3, 2, 9, 2, 6, 5, 8. Follow this dot method so that you can understand this dot method. 5, 6, 8, 4, 2, 7, 8, 3, 6, 9, 8, 2, 6, 5, 4, 7, 3, 2, 6, 5, 2, 8, 3, 9, 7. And here is another one. 6, 8, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 3, 2, 9, 5. You can do these sums yourself by applying this dot method. So today you have seen the dot method of addition where we don't need to remember the carry numbers, and also we do not need to remember bigger numbers. As we go up, the moment it's more than 10, we put the 10 there and you go up. So this way the burden on your mind is lesser and you not remember the carry also. So you can do your problems, your addition little more faster. So today we have seen that what is the addition by dot method. What are you going to see in the next time? We are going to see the next time another kind of addition, and that's what is known as addition by visualization. As I have already told you, already talked about it, the speed addition. So addition by visualization will be going to see in the next session. Till the time, all the best, take care, see you again.